connections and friendships that I made in the physical education program at UW definitely is kind of what kept me going forward as far as staying motivated and staying passionate about the craft of education. You know every single person's name here. It's one of the biggest strengths that the program has.
Something really cool here about Madison is that we get to work with local high schools and middle schools around the area, elementary schools, get in the classroom, and we get to see what it's like around the schools in our area, what the teachers are like, what the students are like, make connections with everybody, so you get to get hands-on right away.
So my sophomore year, the first year I transferred to Madison, I was able to participate in adaptive fitness, and I learned a lot about how to work with disabled children, and it really helped me figure out what I want to do with the rest of my life, and it helped me get a new experience.